Number 9. 1PC Multifunction 18-in-1 Portable Repair Tools. The 18-in-1 portable screwdriver is the most versatile tool you'll ever need. From fixing your bike to repairing outdoor gear, this screwdriver has it all covered. With a universal design and a range of sizes, this tool can handle any job. Plus, with its included bicycle repair tools and camping gear, you'll be able to take it anywhere you go. Number 8. Portable Small Knife. The titanium alloy keychain small knife mini EDC lock hook tool cutter box opener knives gift gadgets is perfect for the outdoorsman or woman. It's small enough to fit in a pocket, but big enough to tackle your toughest tasks. The titanium alloy construction and keychain attachment make this a sturdy tool that will last. The fold-out knife blade is just the right size for slicing through tougher materials, while the box opener can quickly open boxes or packages. Number 7. Handheld metal slingshot with rubber bands. 100% steel slingshot head shows the charm of technology and personality power and initial speed increase. Aluminium alloy handle releases the humanized design camouflage color military and professional. Resort to lever and eccentric shaft, the initial speed is accelerated on the base of hand power and rubber band. For springs offer balanced assistance for power generation. Central spindles apply horologe-leveled high-precision processing technology, providing better reliability and stability. Number 6. Folding camping saw. The folding camping saw is the perfect tool for outdoor adventurers who need to cut wood or other materials. The stainless steel blade and detachable handle make this saw easy to carry and use, making it an essential piece of camping gear. With its sharpness and durability, the folding camping saw is a great choice for anyone who needs to quickly cut through tough materials. Number 5. Left-hand right-hand climbing rope tool. The outdoor rock climbing left-hand right-hand climbing rope tool is the perfect solution for anyone looking to ascend rock faces without any trouble. This hand ascender device mounts easily onto your handlebars and lets you make quick and easy progress up difficult climbs. Plus, its professional-grade design makes it ideal for climbers of all levels. Number 4. Portable camping gas stove with piezo. Camping is one of the best ways to get outdoors, see amazing landscapes and experience the great outdoors. But if you're planning on camping in bare country, you need to have a reliable stove that can cook your food. That's where this camping stove backpacking stove comes in. This lightweight stove is made out of durable titanium and features a windproof split burner that allows you to cook anything from roasted marshmallows over an open fire to pancakes or bacon. Number 3. Multifunctional hunting tools. Outdoors Mercenaries Axe Hatchet is the perfect outdoor camping tool. Its full-tang construction and tactical multifunctional design make it a powerful weapon for any hunting or survival situation. The axe hatchet also features a tomahawk hammer for crushing bones and cutting through tough hide and flesh, making it an essential piece of gear for anyone venturing into the wild. Number 2. Camping tent waterproof outdoor hiking. Introducing the Cloud Up 123 outdoor hiking tent. This tent is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable and reliable camping option. It's made from 210T nylon material, which makes it incredibly durable and weatherproof. Plus, the free mat will keep you comfortable while you're out enjoying the great outdoors. Whether you're camping in a forest or spending a night under the stars, this tent is sure to provide all of the necessary shelter and comfort. Number 1. Portable solar generator for outdoor camping. Looking for a reliable portable solar generator to power your emergency lighting needs? Look no further than the 200-watt Power Station 110-volt, 220-volt 48,000 mAh portable solar generator. This battery-powered generator has enough power to run emergency lights, fans, and other small electronics. With its portable design, this solar generator is great for outdoor camping and other emergencies.